What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, got 5 yards of black back here, got the wagon right here, just pumped up the tires with air. We are running hot, as always, you know. I actually have Derek with the Boys Landscaping on the phone here. We're just talking about some plans, and you guys are in for a real treat in just a few weeks. So hopefully you guys are ready for that. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. But yeah, let's show you guys the mulch. That is pretty much, that's probably about 5 feet high by 10 feet wide. So Ryan, who you guys may not know unless you haven't been following along for a while, he's my brother. We're gonna be knocking out this mulch and about 7 other properties here, and we're working on bed cleanouts right now. So hope you guys want to follow along, and let's have a great day. Well, let's just go ahead and say that was part of the plan. The plan was to film a whole video. But in all honesty, it was 50 degrees, 48 for most of the day. It didn't even get to 50 till late in the day. 30-mile-an-hour gusts of wind. I didn't even feel like filming. So I got the B-roll sequence you're about to see, a few other clips. Then we're gonna hop into the video. I'll explain what happened right here, right now. My driveway became nasty, nasty, nasty. So after we talk about it and I say, let's continue with the video, I'm actually gonna show you a very fast time lapse of me cleaning the driveway. It was actually 2 hours and 30 minutes of power washing, down to probably about a 35-second time lapse. So it'll be crazy. Then after that, we're continuing on with my vlog. I believe I had to finish all of my applications on all my lawns because I only did mine in last week's video. Just because of the wind. I did 2 others, that's right, I forgot. And then the rest were done this week. And then I don't know what else we're gonna get into. I definitely know we had those things there. And then this Friday, we've got a big surprise coming for you guys, which I don't think you guys will see until the following week. And then the big surprise the following week. So we are a few weeks out before you guys will see the big final surprise. It may be multiple videos, I don't really know. Hope you guys are still interested in the video. I know I was expecting a full mulching vlog, but you know how things go when it's cold and windy. We didn't get exactly as much as we wanted done. So without further ado, let's just continue with the video without further talking, and let's roll that sick B-roll sequence you guys have probably been waiting for. Let's go. What's going on, guys? I just wanted to come on here real quick and say I am sorry that all the footage you saw from the mulching was everything I got. I had chapped lips from the wind and everything, but all these bags down here are all leftover bags from the mulching event. And over here, luckily we got everything cleaned up, parts for a job and stuff. But right now, we're actually gonna go ahead and spray all of our lawns. So I'm gonna give that back to you guys with some B-roll. Let's do it. So we were able to finish all of our lawns, and that went great. I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute to explain all the applications we do on our yards. So for this round, we specifically did granular. They either got X-Start, Carbon-X, or X-Greene, or the Carbon-X and X-Start combination. I want to make it clear, in Maryland, you cannot apply phosphorus unless you have a soil test to prove that you need phosphorus or it is new construction. I did look that up, and I can leave a link in the description down below to where you can find that factual source. But yes, that is a rule for Maryland, and you need to make sure you're abiding by the rules of your state per whatever the rules are for your state. So we went ahead and did that. We gave Carbon-X at 0.75 pounds of N, because some of these are really deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Other than that, they look pretty okay. They might be a few points high on the pH scale, like 7.07's like the average. Some of them are 7.11. Nothing I'm crazily concerned about. Nothing we're gonna probably amend to because it's right about average. That is okay. We also did aerate and RGS at their max rates. We did that because we are trying to build up the roots, build up the soil, because they are terrible clay soil here, and a lot of these yards haven't been treated in the past. So we are building that up. But I wanted to take a minute real quick to plug an app I've been using for my business. It's called the Turf Therapy app. I'm gonna put some information right here about the app, but it is an awesome, awesome app. I'm actually starting to add all my customers in there, put their names, their addresses, and then I'm putting all the applications, and it totals the amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium they're getting down on the yard all season long. So that is an amazing feature. Shout out to Rob with Turf Therapy. I'm gonna leave a link in the top right hand corner, as well as a link in the description down below to his channel, and a download link for the App Store to where you can get that app. I highly recommend you download it, check it out, leave him a comment on your video, tell him I sent you, give it a shot. You can do it if you're running project lawns, you can do it for your lawn. And as for me, I've got about 15 different lawns plugged into there, as well as my own, and I can just track all of the applications going down, and if a customer asks when something was done, I can upload pictures to the app, etc., anything like that. I can go back and tell them, okay, it was done on X date at this time, I did it, and this is what was put down. It's a great feature. It's almost like a business management software for fertilizer and a calculator built in. I know he didn't build the app for that, but it's kind of evolved into something you could use it like that. So if you have any other questions about the app, please be sure to leave them down below, because I'll be more than happy to answer it. And I know he watches the videos, so he'll be here and more than happy to answer all of your questions. That's really all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a lot shorter. We started out with some mulching updates, and I wasn't really happy about that I didn't record. Power wash the driveway, that thing was insane. And I had all the bonus footage from us going out and doing the rest of the aerate and RGS applications, as you guys had seen last week's video where I did the granular fertilizer applications. I can go ahead and leave a link in the top right hand corner to that video if that's something that you're interested in checking out. Other than that, guys, if you have any other questions, you know where to leave them. With that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.